everyone, and welcome back. Ever look up at the night sky and wonder what's out there? Besides the stars and planets we all know, there are millions of asteroids, basically giant space rocks, zipping around. And some of them get a little too close for comfort. That's what we're talking about today. How we're keeping an eye on these cosmic cannonballs, specifically with a system called ATLAS. So, what is ATLAS? It stands for Asteroid Terrestrial-impact Last Alert System. Sounds pretty intense, right? But think of it like the ultimate neighborhood watch for planet Earth. It's a network of telescopes, currently 4 of them, strategically placed around the globe, in Hawaii, Chile, and South Africa. This global setup is super important because it means no matter where the Earth is in its rotation, part of the sky is always being watched. It's a 24/7 guard duty against space rocks. Unlike some other surveys that look for giant extinction-level asteroids years in advance, ATLAS has a unique and crucial job. It specializes in finding the smaller, but still very dangerous, asteroids just before they might hit us. We're talking about rocks that are maybe the size of a building or a football field. Well, they won't cause a global catastrophe like the one that wiped out the dinosaurs. An impact from one of these could easily destroy a city. ATLAS is designed to give us a last alert, a warning anywhere from a few weeks to a few days ahead of a potential impact. You might be thinking, a few days? What can we even do with that little time? And that's a great question. We probably couldn't send a Bruce Willis-style mission to blow it up. But that warning is still life-saving. It gives us enough time to do something incredibly important: evacuate. Imagine getting an alert that an asteroid is headed for a specific city. With a few days' notice, authorities could clear the area, move people to safety, and prevent a massive loss of life. It turns a potential catastrophe into a manageable, albeit major, natural disaster. So, how does it actually work? It's pretty brilliant. Each night, the ATLAS telescopes scan the entire visible sky about 4 times. They take rapid-fire pictures of huge patches of the sky. Then, powerful software gets to work. It compares the new pictures with pictures of the same sky region taken just a little while earlier. Most things, like stars and galaxies, stay put. But an asteroid will have moved. The software flags this tiny moving dot of light. Once a potential asteroid is flagged, the system gets even smarter. It automatically checks a massive database to see if this is a known asteroid we're already tracking. If it's not, it's a new discovery. The system then calculates its trajectory, its path through space. It projects this path forward to see if it will intersect with Earth's orbit. If the calculations show a potential collision course, an alert is automatically sent out to astronomers and space agencies around the world, like NASA and the European Space Agency. This all happens incredibly fast, usually within minutes of the initial detection. Now for the 2025 update. What's new with ATLAS? The system is constantly getting better. The telescopes are receiving upgrades to their cameras and software, making them even more sensitive. This means they can spot smaller, fainter asteroids from further away. Think of it like upgrading your phone camera. Suddenly, you can see details in the dark you couldn't see before. This increased sensitivity buys us more time, which is the most valuable resource we have in planetary defense. A few extra days of warning could make all the difference. Also, the network is expanding. There are ongoing discussions about adding more telescopes to the ATLAS network. More eyes on the sky mean better coverage and a higher chance of spotting something before it spots us. It strengthens our safety net and reduces the blind spots. Every new telescope added to the system makes our planet just a little bit safer. It's important to remember that the threat of a major asteroid impact is very low, but it's not zero. The work ATLAS does is a bit like having insurance. You hope you never have to use it, but you're incredibly glad it's there if you do. It's a testament to human ingenuity and our instinct to protect our home. We're no longer just passive observers in the cosmic shooting gallery. We're actively scanning the skies, ready to act. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is real-world planetary defense happening every single night while we sleep. Systems like Atlas are our silent guardians, watching over us from a distance. The universe is a vast and sometimes chaotic place, but it's comforting to know that some of the brightest minds on the planet are working together to keep us safe from the threats that lie beyond our world. So, the next time you look up at the moon and stars, remember the incredible network of telescopes that are tirelessly scanning the darkness for us. Atlas is a reminder that when we face a common threat, humanity can come together using science and technology to create something truly amazing to protect our future. Thanks so much for hanging out and learning about this with me today. It's a fascinating topic, and it's happening right now. If you found this interesting, please hit that like button. And if you want to stay updated on more cool science and space stuff, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments what you think about the Atlas project. Until next time, stay curious.